Happy birthday to Right, when I wanted to open myself, gift them early, she never want me open it, but because she excited about this gift today, it's all good. Everything good.
This is yours? You jump it? Careful. Get your balance.
Take a jump over it. Give mommy a jump. Man want it. The man say, give me back.
I think it's mine. Here, wait, let me help you. Put your foot. Put your foot on. Put your foot. Jump. Go.
Make him go on himself so he can get the tension in the thing.
Go. Jump. Jump.
You assist him too much, Paul.
Jump. 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 See, jump. Jump now. Jump. Jump. Come over here. Yay!
A jump on him body, you see? A good jump on him body. Mommy, you don't want to jump off it, mommy? Mommy, come take a jump.
Go, jump.
You want to jump? You want to jump? Everybody see man broke him body.
For him to work on coordination and balance. That's what it's for.
So why you never wait till tomorrow to open the present? You see? When I wanted to open my Zaf gift the day before, you did not want that. But because you excited now, you say unfair?
Tomorrow.
Say unfair?
Wow!
Everything good here?
Tomorrow, we should make that one go on this and try it. Go. Come, bounce. Go. Yay!
I learned.
Almost there. Who can jump on this the longest? Ready?
That's not a competition. I'm eating all of you.
No.
Mommy, tell her it's mine.
It's mine.
Yay!
When you get to mama, it's not mine.
It's mine.
Yay!
Anybody goes,
As I've tried.
it's mine.
Jump.
It's mine.
Now jump.
Okay?
It's mine. It's mine.
Oh God! It's a workout. Why are you bouncing like that? Why are you bouncing like that? I'm dead. It's a workout, you know.
I'm tired.
Oh jeez.
By the time I know that it shapes up. Twist up. Feel like I'm too heavy.
It's at 250 pounds. Wow, I mean.
Wow.
Wow. 250 pounds is the max. Careful. Almost, you got it. You got it. Take your time.
You ever buy one for yourself?
Azaf is not ready. 3 and up. Azaf, when you're ready, you get yours. Okay?
Jump.
Jump. Jump. Wow, nice. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Let's hope this will help him sleep well at nighttime. Go. Jump. Jump. 1, 2. Jump. 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 Wow. Huh?
I'm going to buy 6 of them. I'll use them in the morning for workout. And just like that, it is the next day and a very special day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Azaf, sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday to you. You're not singing happy birthday to her. Hmm? Your birthday, what you eating?
Cake.
Eating cake? That's not cake. Oh no, don't put it on the table. No.
Super cake.
What's this? What's this? Wash your hands? Wait. What's up? What's up? Big party vibe.
I just had to learn how to put my first party favor box together.
Big party vibe. You blowing a balloon, buddy? Blowing a balloon? One bag of sweetie.
Thanks to Susie. Thanks to her.
Susie bring up a bag of sweetie. I don't even know what to do downstairs because I don't know how big this thing is. Bouncy.
Oh. Don't put it. It's nice.
My first
My one?
party favor.
I don't sleep to get those two.
I'm sure I got
There's
the
candy,
other
there's
one.
candy in them. So.
Azam, come.
What's up? Come on, man. I did not give you permission to use my candies in the
Well,
bag.
we are using it because
Alright.
you're getting older
I feel like you
now.
use all 3 bag
You're
of
getting
them.
older now and you need to watch your sugar intake.
3 bag of my sweetest shoes, you know?
Yes,
Why not 1?
sugar is not good for you. Chocolate? Chocolate, here. Meet, what's up?
No. Why the TV there so loud?
They're partying. What do you mean? It's a kids party.
Bag of knives on my head, brother. One of the knives on my head.
Lord Grumpy.
Ami, guess what? Look, it's a gift.
It's a birthday gift.
Look.
Wow.
Man, the people are look. Look for something, man. I want to blow balloon.
It's a scooter.
Balloon.
It's a scooter.
It's a balloon.
Scooter. It's a scooter.
Schooners.
It's
It's a
a scooter.
scooter. Yay!
Yay,
It's a scooter for Ami. Wow! Nice birthday gift. Whose birthday is this? Is this your birthday? Yay! Wow!
Hold on, man. Wait, man. Let me pick out how this thing works first, brother.
Wow! Are you happy? You like the scooter?
Alright, I don't know how this works. I have to go.
Wow! It's a scooter.
Oh, this guy does have a lock. Alright.
Wow!
It's a schooner.
Scooter.
There, he's saying it right now. It's a scooter. It's a scooter.
Oh, you can sit down on this.
Or put it up, yeah. Scooter.
Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Let me make sure there's something else right.
Beautiful. Wow.
I mean, it's better you learn not sitting on it. It's better he learns not sitting on it.
Look, wait a minute, buddy. So I'm typing.
Kamik, it's better you stand on it.
I mean, you have been watching this.
Right now.
Stand on it.
When you figure out all this thing, right?
Stand, yeah, it's a scooter.
It's a scooter.
Go and stand on it too. Go. Yeah.
You like your scooter, buddy? How this go?
Here we go.
What this go, me?
It's my scooter.
It's your scooter.
We'll figure that out later. I don't know.
Come on, Meek, stand on it.
Looks like...
Stand
I
on the
don't, can
scooter.
go on it?
Stand on the scooter, Meek.
Look, come on. Look. I don't, can go on it, no.
And it lights up.
Oh, this time.
I don't know, maybe you're too heavy for it.
I mean, go this turn. Go this turn. Go this turn on me. Yay!
Wow, good job.
Yeah.
Azaf is clapping. Wow.
Yeah. That's clapping.
Wow.
It's a scooter.
That one doesn't turn. Doesn't really
Yeah,
turn.
turn, but me just not, yeah, it looks like you have to lean on it. So.
Oh, I forget. Yay! Azaf said yay. Meek, are you cleaning out? You're cleaning out?
Man, I mean, you're gonna make some barbecue chicken. You're gonna make some barbecue chicken, buddy?
You want the hose? You want to get wet? You want the hose? Oh boy. He's on a birthday behavior today.
Yeah. You won't get away with everything today, do you know? You won't get away with everything. It's only something.
Oh jeez.
So don't push your luck.
Amik, is it your birthday? If he's happy about these hoes. Oh, these hoes. The water hose. Oh, jeez. And then how do you close it? How do you
Just like it.
Huh?
So, just like that. Just pull out the straw. And it lock, yeah. That's it. It's like glue inside right side lock.
Oh.
Amik, you may help to set up for your birthday. You can help us to set up for your birthday. Blow the balloon. It's obvious Amik love cars. As you can see, I'm the only one doing the work. So, it's just one of them days, you know what I mean? You know, you know when you perform and you have backup singers. That's what they are. Backup. They're the backup. I'm doing all the work. You see, I go for the big heavy duty machine and just have pump balloon. Everything good.
That's it. All that heavy duty and only 3.
Yo, now I'm a backup workers. I'm doing all that work.
What work? All the
The little time I come, I just blow about 15 balloons one time.
where all
One
of these
time.
would have been done. Without heavy duty, that should have been done. You know, it's
When I take long to tie up the top, when I take forever to tie up the one little balloon.
wow.
Man, that's your age. Come smile for a picture, come. Come on, smile. Who's birthday? Blacky TV, Blacky TV, Blacky TV, Blacky TV. Give us some butted.
What?
Mommy saw
Beavers
my
and
eyes.
butted.
Mommy saw my eyes. Mom was like, "What's wrong with your eyes? Were you fighting?" I was like, "No, Mommy. I went out with these 2 mad people last night. I couldn't sleep.
You couldn't sleep when you got home?
I couldn't. I was just off, and my eyes was like this in the dark."
Yeah, I'm mad some of them, man.
Yeah, you're the mad person.
Yeah,
You think
I'm
we're the
mad
mad for people?
You guys are the mad
You couldn't
people.
sleep?
I couldn't sleep.
Well, we were fast asleep. Right?
Me know me sleep, for sure.
You.
Fast asleep.
Me know
But
me sleep.
It's like, what wrong with a beard? What wrong with a beard? I'll go with a beard.
Ragamuffin.
Huh?
Ragamuffin.
Oh, you know them caveman men?
So that more look like?
He's trying to claim 40. You're claiming 40. You're owning it.
Already?
Man, get out of here.
Huh?
Owning it.
A couple of
Wow. Man, guys, this is a big slide. I didn't know it was so big. This is massive, man. Man, look on the space, like perfect space to walk around it. Man. But this is cool though, because it's for adults as well. This is sick. This is nice. Eh? Get the hose? Yeah, still alive. Yeah, if I don't say, put that straight away.
You guys gonna have problem later when this
Just come in. I'll get them.
You're gonna have problem when this
What's going on up there? What's going on?
Fight together, Amani, if you want.
You have to wait. You have to, when you
Now wait.
Look at me, need a thing there.
Public does not care. Wait for the gift tables.
I don't know about a gift table, brother. I look like a party planner.
You have to put that table where the cake can go on and the gift.
I look like a party planner.
Yes.
Look where from here, man. Alright, I'm not going to be recording much because I need to get in this slide. I'm about to get in this slide, so alright guys, that's it for Amik's birthday. It's on. We're having fun. The rest of the people coming. It's gonna be a vibe. Thanks for watching.